Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. I am super excited to talk to you today all about what 2020 has in store for you and me. So if you want to know more about that, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. All right, loves, so 2020 is fast approaching and I wanted to just kind of sit down and have a moment with you and allow you to know what to expect from my channel in 2020 and give you a little insight in where my head is. And I hope that it aligns with you guys because there's been so many amazing additions to the squad, so many new members coming along, and I want to welcome each and every one of you to the Elle squad, as well as some of my OG peeps that have stuck around with me for so long. This past year has been really amazing for me, and it's been my outlet of creativity. It's also been my outlet of just connecting with others and knowing all of the things that we know that we're not alone, all of the, the personal issues that I've shared with you, having such an amazing support system. And I am so happy that I could be there for you guys as well and create a platform where you also could be there for each other. Because that's really what this is about, is lifting one another up and connecting on that soul level. So a couple things that you can expect from my channel in 2020. I'm very excited. I'm going to be continuing my upload schedule, which is Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So make sure you set your alarms. I am an esthetician and obviously a makeup artist, and skin is an absolute passion of mine. You know that. I love teaching you guys about ingredients. I love teaching you about new product lines, new technologies that come out. It's a huge passion of mine. But my channel will be going cruelty-free in 2020, as well as I will be focusing more on this green movement, more healthy ingredients, really science-based healthy ingredients too. I really want to focus on making sure that the products that I recommend for you are backed by some really nice studies or are backed by some really encouraging evidence that these more quote-unquote natural ingredients provide. I also am going to still be breaking down ingredients for you guys. So ingredient get down was what we always call it. I really want to help empower you to know what ingredients are on packaging, know why it's there, know why it's where it is in the ingredient list. So many ingredients have been demonized this past several years, and I want to explain in the coming year, why some of them are different in different parts of the ingredient list, and some of them have changed names, and now there's a whole bunch of new ingredients out that are replacements for hyaluronic acid. And I want to talk about plant-based hyaluronic acids, or plant-based vitamin A's, or plant-based vitamin C's. Obviously they are, but you know what I mean, like that are all have clinical and really science-based facts behind them. So I'm really excited to dive deep into there and to that skincare world, as you know I always do. And I really want to also bring forth brands that have missions, so that are giving back to some sort of part of the community. So whether that is through donations that they make, or every purchase that you make goes to some sort of taking care of the planet or animals, or some sort of a philanthropic endeavor. I really am excited about bringing those brands forward to you as well, because I really think that's a really big movement next year, and hopefully we'll see it grow over the years. Is just this less stress on the world as far as manufacturing and production, making sure that products are recyclable, at least the package and the packaging are recyclable, that you can throw them out, that they aren't making more toxic waste in the world by being created, things of that nature. So I hope to really embark upon this adventure with you guys. I'm always here to hear suggestions as far as new product lines you guys have seen that fall in line with this, but definitely all products will be moving forward cruelty-free, and I'm very, very excited about that. We also will be doing the same thing with cosmetics, as well as I would like to bring forth some sort, maybe hopefully jewelry lines, fashion lines, I don't know, accessories. I love my vegan leather bag that I got I think a year ago, and I still carry it to this day. So I want to kind of bring that forth to you. And I also want to do more of these kind of talk through vlogs where I just tell you what's going on in my life and really connect with you and really make this community even stronger and a really great bond between all of us, because it is so needed right now. So if there are anything else that you want me to talk about next year, or if you had any ideas that you would like to see done, Please let me know. You know, I'm an open book. I listen to you guys so much. I respond to all comments. I try my best to respond to all comments and DMs and emails, but I love hearing what you guys want me to talk about. And even if they're left field or kind of complicated topics, I think that it's going to be really a fun place. I really want my channel to be educational. I really want this to be a source of the best knowledge that I can provide for you and a piece of your research that you might be doing on specific topics. So again, I just want to thank you all so much for making this amazing 2019 for me. Y'all have stood next to me through some of my darkest days over the past year, and I just can't thank you enough. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And I'm sending love to each and every one of you. I will see you all in the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.